Hey my friends, today we have a very special video, and we're going to learn how to change the characters inside a video while keeping everything else exactly the same. This tool is truly amazing, and we can do all of this using AI on the Magic Hour website with just one click. No traditional methods that require a huge amount of time and effort. We can do it quickly and easily with AI. So let's get started. First, we're going to head over to the Magic Hour website. I'll click the link in the description. Then click Start Creating Free. This will take us to the main dashboard of the website, which is one of the biggest AI platforms available right now. If we scroll down, you'll see all of these incredible AI tools that you can use however you like. What I liked most about Magic Hour is that everything is in one place. The platform is easy to use, and I can quickly test different AI tools without switching between multiple websites. It made creating and editing videos much faster and more enjoyable. And one of the most powerful tools here is Character Replace. Let's click on it. Once the page opens, you'll notice the face swap feature over here. But today, we're going to use Character Swap instead. This is where we'll upload the video we want to edit, and over here, we'll upload the character we want to appear in the video. First, click here and select your video. Then, if you'd like, you can trim the exact section you want to edit right here. Once you're happy with it, click Confirm Trim. Now, if you don't already have a character you'd like to insert into your video, don't worry. Magic Hour includes a huge collection of popular built-in characters that you can choose from. But in my case, I already created my own character, a robot, so I'm going to upload my character image right here. Next, choose the video resolution. I'm going to select 720p for this example. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate Video. Now, all we have to do is wait while Magic Hour generates our new video. It usually only takes a short time, depending on the length of your clip. And it's done! Let's see the final result. Wow, it looks absolutely amazing! The generated video matches the original incredibly well, while seamlessly replacing the character exactly the way we wanted. The quality is seriously impressive. Finally, let's download the finished video. Just click the download button right here, then wait for the file to finish downloading. And here is a side-by-side comparison between the original video and the AI-generated version we just created. Magic Hour also includes an incredibly powerful AI video editing tool that can save you a huge amount of time and effort when making changes to your videos, especially compared to traditional video editing software. Instead of spending hours editing manually, you can simply describe the changes you want, and the AI handles the rest. Let me show you exactly how it works. To access this tool, click on Video, then select AI Video Editor. This will open the editor interface. From here, upload the video you'd like to modify. Then, in this text box, type the changes you want the AI to make. For this example, I'm going to enter the following prompt. Change the robot's main body armor color to a bright, vibrant yellow. Recolor only the ground/terrain underneath to a natural green grass tone. Do not alter video motion in any way. Preserve all original structures and lighting. After that, choose the AI model. I'm going to select Google Omni. Then, under Settings, I'll choose 720p as the output resolution. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate Video. Now, we just need to wait a little while as the AI processes the video and applies the requested edits. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few moments. And it's finished! Let's take a look at the final result. As you can see, the AI made exactly the changes we requested while keeping the rest of the video completely intact. The motion, lighting, structures, and overall quality remain exactly the same, with no unwanted changes. That's one of the biggest advantages of using this AI editing tool. Finally, let's download the edited video. Simply click the download button here at the top, then wait for the video to finish downloading. And as you can see, that brings us to the end of today's tutorial on using Magic Hour. I'll leave the Magic Hour link in the description. Bye-bye.